started to make a bunch of stick figures and to try to make head and tail out of pictures that made sense. And also just a lot of movement that I learned while working with Jack, the Indian movement and so forth. And turned it all into a period of exercise of isolation. After that particular period of time, the people began to learn to move their bodies individually, and with the understanding of movement individual from the point of view of their body, the Ancien became much easier to afford and to learn. So what you're going to see is a very simple passage of the body from an isolation point of view, and realize when we watch them suffer that we get complicated as the time goes on, and it becomes much more difficult to do. Right? Are you ready? Oh yes, I should say also, bear in mind that my history is I started when I was 11 years old as a tap dancer. I went from tap dancing to classical ballet and became a soloist and classical dancer in films and on Broadway. From that time until I was 28, that's all I did. When I was 28, I began to work with Jack. After I began to work with Jack, the whole idea of dance changed totally. Right? But what you see here and what you are going to see from that point of view has nothing to do with funky dancing, right? But it does have to do with this very strict base of classic mixed with many other forms of dance. And I think you understand it, right?